Welcome to a world of relaxation and tranquility right in your backyard. Introducing the Summer Breeze 3 Hot Tub, brought to you by Blue Whale Spa. This 6-seater home spa is perfect for young families, offering 5 seats and 1 lounger for those lazy summer afternoons. The Summer Breeze 3 is a marvel of modern technology, featuring a TP200 Balboa control panel, 2 Stormforce 7 pumps, and 41 jets, all powered by a 13 AMP power supply. But that's not all. The Summer Breeze 3 comes equipped with 20 LEDs, 3 fountains, and enhanced insulation to keep the warmth in and the cold out. And what's a hot tub without music? With built-in Bluetooth speakers, this hot tub turns into a private concert venue at the touch of a button. Crafted with a sleek white acrylic shell, the Summer Breeze 3 is not only functional but also stylish. Plus, it comes with free matching steps and an insulating cover, with free delivery and installation included to the UK mainland. So, why wait? Start creating unforgettable family moments with the Summer Breeze 3 Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa.